Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common household dilemma: wrinkles in curtains. Whether you've just unpacked them or they've been hanging for a while, wrinkles can detract from the beauty of your curtains. But fear not. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to easily get wrinkles out of curtains, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Preparation. First things first, let's assess the situation. Take a good look at your curtains and identify the areas with the most wrinkles. It's essential to address them properly to achieve a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. Step 2. Steam ironing. Now, let's break out the steam iron. Fill the reservoir with water and set it to the appropriate temperature for your curtain fabric. If you're unsure, always start with a lower setting and gradually increase as needed. Next, gently glide the steam iron over the wrinkled areas of the curtain. Keep the iron moving to avoid scorching or damaging the fabric. The steam will penetrate the fibers, helping to relax the wrinkles and restore the curtain's smooth appearance. Step 3. Hanging and weight method. Another effective method is the hanging and weight technique. Simply hang your curtains on the curtain rod as you normally would. Then, take some weighted hangers or heavy objects and clip them to the bottom of the curtains. This will help stretch out the wrinkles and encourage the fabric to regain its shape. Step 4. Mist and shake. For a quick fix, you can also try the mist and shake method. Fill a spray bottle with water and lightly mist the wrinkled areas of the curtains. Once misted, gently shake the curtains to help loosen the wrinkles. This method works best for lighter wrinkles and can be a lifesaver when you're short on time. Step 5. Professional dry cleaning. If your curtains are made from delicate or difficult to iron fabrics, or if the wrinkles persist despite your best efforts, it may be time to consider professional dry cleaning. Take your curtains to a reputable dry cleaner and let the professionals work their magic. They have the expertise and specialized equipment to safely remove wrinkles without damaging the fabric. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to get wrinkles out of curtains. Whether you opt for steam ironing, the hanging and weight method, mist and shake, or professional dry cleaning, these techniques will help you achieve smooth, wrinkle-free curtains in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.